Hi guys, it's Pizza Boy here. Today we're going to do the Booms Bang Fizzes. And we're going to do, from this, we're going to do Mad Fizzing Potions 1. Number 1, put a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda into the glass. So, get a teaspoon. I can't do this very well. I can't get it out. And then stir it in a squirt of washing up liquid. So, wait, how many squirts? So 1 squirt, because it doesn't say how many. Squirt. Now mix. I think I should add more washing up liquid. I'm just going to hold this here. I nearly spilled that. So, right. Now, ooh, look at that. That looks good. So now, 2 drops of red colouring. There's the 2 drops. Now, let's turn it about. I don't know if it says that. Wait. Yeah. And then stir, 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 stir. Right. Now, it says to pour the lemon juice in. So, squeeze number 1. I can't really squirt this. That's as much as we can get out. Oh, you can see it. You can see it. You can see it coming out. Come on, another. Right, what does it say now? You can extend, right, more, right, so we've used up all of it. Now, you can use more of this. So let's use more of this to get it filled up. Go to the tray. Put that in. Stir it about a little bit. Stir it about. Oh! Okay, let's just put more lemons in. Right. Stir, stir, stir. Oh, you gotta see it. Don't matter. I wanna see that seed come out. It looks like a spoon rock doll. Bye.